Welcome to Inspired Healing Meditations, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your favorite relaxing music, having a journal close by. Trust your inner knowing, trust your imagination, and know that all of this unfolds for your highest good and your highest healing. You are healing the planet and healing yourself. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and I'm happy to connect more with you about this process. Much love. Enjoy today's meditation. In today's healing meditation, you're guided to strengthen the heart space, magnetize the heart space, allow love energy to guide you, to lead you, trusting. We practice trusting this inner wisdom in our choices that we make, and we learn through practice to trust whether we walk through a door that may be open, whether we wish to open a door or whether we wish to walk away. And we're so grateful for this beautiful experience of life that we get to live. I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Welcome to today's healing meditation. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. We set the intention of aligning with our highest and best self. We set the intention of aligning with love energy, healing ourselves from the inside out. We choose in this moment to be present with ourselves in the present moment experience of who we are, the truth of who we are. We take a deep breath into the heart space. And as we exhale, we allow our physical body to relax as we become present with our breath, breathing in and exhaling. We visualize green love energy surrounding our heart space. And we visualize this love energy expanding as we inhale and strengthening as we exhale. Expanding green as we inhale and strengthening this green love energy as we exhale. And in this moment, we acknowledge the love that lives within us. In this moment, we feel gratitude for our ability to feel love, to experience love, to know love, and to expand the love within us. We say thank you, and we strengthen this beautiful green love energy with each breath, with each exhale. And as we breathe so deeply, we magnetize our heart space. We magnetize more love into our lives, more connection, more understanding, more compassion, more abundance, more of what we love, more of who we love into our lives as we magnetize our own heart space with our presence, with our awareness, with our breath, with our imagination. We become so strong in the heart space that this love energy guides us, guides each choice that we make, pulls us as if we were being pulled like a puppet almost, being pulled. This heart, this love energy leads us, guides us, and we follow. We trust, we listen inward to what our heart is saying, to the wisdom of our own heart space. In our mind's eye, we see ourselves walking in this day ahead, taking our steps in our life. And we see that we are being pulled by love. We see that love pulls us like a magnet toward more love, toward the direction which would best serve our highest good. And we trust, we learn to listen, we learn to trust. This is a practice, a daily practice of tuning in to greater truth and awareness. And when we encounter a person or a place or a thing, we can pay attention to this magnetized heart and know whether to continue toward or back away. We choose in every moment to move closer to love, more aligned with love energy, more aligned with truth, peace, harmony, abundance, goodness, peace, and greatness, aliveness, sparkle. In your mind's eye, you can picture a door. There are many doors that present themselves in our lives, and we get to choose which door to follow, to open, to walk through. And in your mind's eye, you can see a door and you can notice, what does my heart tell me in this moment? Which is the direction of love in this moment? The heart knows. Your inner guidance, your inner wisdom knows. So you see this door and you open the door and you decide, will I walk through this door? Or will I close the door and walk away? But we know we can trust the heart, the wisdom of the heart in our quiet moments, in our inward moments, in our most connected moments. And we say thank you for this beautiful opportunity to continue to learn more about ourselves, more about the potential of existence, more about the pull of love. We say thank you. When you feel ready, you can wiggle your fingers, bring a smile to your face. We say thank you to earth and sky, the beautiful, shining emerald green heart. We can open our eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to free write, stream of consciousness writing, allowing the words and energy to move through you onto the paper, to acknowledge your beautiful inner wisdom and developing and nurturing that lovely relationship with yourself. I'll see you next time. Much love.